Hey everyone, this is Chase of Rocky Mountain UTV MC giving you a closer look at the Phoenix CO2 Air Jack from Pro Eagle. All right everyone, thanks for checking in. Today we're giving you a closer look at this Phoenix CO2 Air Jack for Pro Eagle. This is a very popular jack for a few reasons. One, convenience factor, very easy to use this. You also have over 2 feet of adjustable height. And third is it is very quick to use. So if maybe you're doing some racing and you're in a situation where you want to get your machine off the ground as quickly as possible, this will allow you to do that. So before we dive in and talk about the features, let's just talk about real quick what comes included when you buy yours. So obviously you're going to have your jack. Now this jack is made from 100% stainless steel, so the construction on this thing is very solid. You're going to have your hose. Now this hose is going to thread in, we'll show you here in just a little bit, but this, you can see, that's going to be your valve that you'll open and close to operate this. You will have 4 CO2 canisters that will come included in your case. We do offer these available on our website by themselves. If you do use them, you need more. And of course, you will have your big carrying case that will come included as well. They do have foam cutouts inside here, which is nice, so it's nice that they do give you a nice case to come with it. Now as far as how this works, very simple. When it comes time to use it, this is all you got to do. There's a level here at the base, which is nice, so get this thing nice and level. Like I mentioned, there's 4 inches or a lot of adjustability. So you've got this pin. If I pull that out, you can see I've got all these notches or holes all the way up, so you set this to the height that's going to be right for your machine. Put that back in real quick. But when you're ready to use it, all you do is just take your hose. You're going to thread it on right here at the base. Once that's threaded on, take your CO2, thread that onto your hose. And then once that is threaded on there, you're ready to lift up your machine. And all you have to do is just take this switch that you have here and you just open it, it'll start to raise the jack. And what's nice about this too is it's not just on off. You can actually control how much that compressed air is going through and how fast it's going to raise your machine up. And then when it comes time to lower it, all you do is just simply press the next button and it will slowly lower your machine back down to the ground. Super quick to use. That's why people love these so much. And also I do want to point out there are some other great accessories that you can pick up to go along with this. One, you have a 4-inch round top. So if you like the idea of just having a larger surface, you can pick one of these up. We also do have the 8-inch sand base. So if you're riding in the dunes often or in just real sandy conditions and you're afraid this thing might sink in the ground too much when you're using it, pick up the 8-inch sand base. What's nice is you just drop it in there, rotate it, and it locks into place. So that is really nice to have. And then also you notice that you do have this tether on here, and the purpose for that is that if you're in sand, if this does sink in a little bit, you don't have to dig into the sand to get it out. You can just grab this tether and pull it out of the sand. And the last thing I want to show you is a couple different options to carry these. We do have their roll cage mount with a quick disconnect. So you can grab one of these and mount it right up to your roll cage. It's going to come with your clamps. Or last, we do have this hard case by Savage for Pro Eagle, specifically built for the Phoenix Air Jack. So there's a couple different mounting options there. You figure out what's going to be best for you. But in any case, if you are looking for a jack that is super easy to use, has a lot of adjustability, makes it super fast to get your machine off the ground, this is what you need. If you have questions or comments, we want to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. To pick one up, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. All orders over $75 ship free. If you like this spotlight, make sure to subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and stay up to date on the latest products that we have that we're constantly filming and building for UTVs. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.